Good morning, Bearable traders. My name is Arif, and I just wanted to share with you guys my recap for today. So today I traded two different stocks. I'll go through them in order, starting with NVTA. I took this for short as a 2-minute opening range breakdown. So in the first 2 minutes makes this range, and I decided to go short at the break of the previous candle's wick. And I go short. I put my stop loss above VWAP, which is about 20 cents risk. And I was actually hoping for a pop to this moving average here, which would have been 1-to-1, just for a quick scalp, quick 20% partial. It didn't end up happening, and I decided to hold on just because it was bouncing off these moving averages quite nicely. I thought it could be a potential, ABCD, a reverse ABCD, but didn't end up happening, and I just got stopped out at my original stop. So that was NVTA, and then I traded AMRN twice. My first was a short for a 2-minute, for a reverse ABCD on the 2-minute chart. So you can see in this candle it makes a move from A to B on a lot of volume, and on a pullback to C, you can see there's less volume on the buying during the buying. And then I decided to go short as at the break of the previous candle's wick again. So this is between the B and C level. I go short and I take some quick 20% partials on this pop and the rest out at break even. This was ultimately a 1-to-1 trade here, which was good that I got out at break even because it's ended up going up, and I flipped my position. So the second trade, it just broke the high of the day, which was there, and it looked like it was about to break this resistance on the 2-minute, this 2-minute moving average here. And that's what a style of trading that I like to do is, when I see resistance just on one time frame, it's generally weak resistance, especially on the lower time frames on the 2-minute chart. This is pretty weak resistance, so it's a good chance that it would break out. So I go long, and I put my stop loss at the low of the candle, about $20. It was about a 10-cent risk, and just some quick partials. These are 20% partials at around 1-to-1 and 1.5-to-1. This is a 20. This was a heavy partial here. I think this was at my 2-to-1, 50% partial, and some more on this pop here, and I just get the rest out at basically 3-to-1. Overall, though, this trade was 2-to-1, and I could have gotten a bit of a better, could have gotten a bit more out of this trade, but I'm still happy with how I went overall. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for listening, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.